Okay, Pratibha. Nervous about sir? First time was maybe? Okay, Pratibha. Hello. Pratibha, tell me something about yourself. Like your hobbies, your passion, anything else.
Good morning to all of you present. My name is Pratibha Bishakarma. I live in Lebung, Darjeeling. I study in Sunrise School, class 11. My hobby is to mostly cook because my ambition is to become a chef. Today I want to participate here because I have heard many of girls in my school also to say that if some girls are chubby or fat or kind, that kind of persons cannot participate in modeling or fashion shows. So I want to repent to that girls or who are women who thinks if they are the fat or chubby type of person, they cannot participate in that competition or anything can be related to their body. So I want to represent them to for reminding that kind of person who are chubby, like I'm also kind of chubby side. That's why I want to represent them and support them if they are not positive thinking about their body. So that's why I participated.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Pratibha. I like the way you carry your outfit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, but you seem little nervous. Okay, and you need to work on your walk. Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Are you nervous? Are you that nervous? Don't be okay. Okay. You say that you want to inspire or the other people, breaking the stereotype. So there is a different thing after you do this, okay? So if you do you usually wear kurta? Okay, so if you get a chance, okay, if I see you, then I'll take you and then you have to do a shoot. Will you be able to do it? Like not wearing this outfit, but you have to do that kind of outfit. Like not that, but you have to promote some inner wears. Will you be able to do that? I need some time to encourage myself to do that kind of things and to wear that outfits. So yeah, if I get enough motivation, if I'm prepared to do that kind, I will be able to do it.
Hello, Bhuti. Hello, ma'am.
You know, I have a friend in Nepal. She represents her so much. Like seriously, you have that face, you have that body, you have that walk. Everything reminds me of her.
No, I'm just saying that I have a friend. Okay, so like while walking, your hand swings so much. You just have to control it. Rest, everything's good.
Okay, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, if I ask you a question, like, how do you want to grow as a model? So, what would be your answer?
As a model, I feel like to be confident.
What you might. What's your
To be confident, to be confident to wear anything. Like I can represent as a cultural dress. I can wear western. I can wear anything, and I feel pretty from within. To feel pretty, not from outside, but from within. To be kind, to be selfless, to help others. I think that for me.
Okay, Samriddhi. Thank you.
Hi Samriddhi.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
I liked your walk.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is it your first time?
No, ma'am. Actually, it's my, I think, third time. But I'm not that confident enough.
Okay.
I have to good more.
Okay. What I noticed was even though you did it thrice, right? And you looked down while you were walking. You should not do that. Okay, rest. Everything was great. Hi. I like what I see actually.
Thank you so much.
You have a great body. And the confidence was great and the walk was great. I don't have any complaints about you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
But can I ask you a question? Who would be your role model and why?
My role model will be my mother, obviously, because she has done a lot and lots of hard work. Because as a single parent, she has done a lot for me, and she is a really motivator, a role model. As a role model, always I'll say my mother, because the things she has done, I have seen it with my own eyes, and I wanna walk in her way, like how she has gone through so much, but also she always supports me no matter in what. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, Smriti. So, how are you?
I'm very good, sir.
First of all, I really liked your outfit, okay?
Thank you so much.
And the walk was. Okay, Smriti,
Yes, sir.
who is a supermodel, you think?
Kendall Jenner, oh my god. Her body, her height, everything. I'm just obsessed with her.
Okay, thank you.
I do not have any. You are such a good girl, and I totally agree with Miss Simran. Whatever she said, yeah, I totally agree with it. And yeah, all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
You're just 13. You're such a cutie pie. Okay, like what motivated you to come here?
Miss, actually my mother was also a model. She was really motivated in following her passion, and that's what inspired me the most to become a model here and follow and make her proud, so that she could achieve the dream that she couldn't do, but I can do it instead. Ma'am, that's it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Jasper, you look so cute. Okay, Jasper, how old are you? 13, right? Okay. So, what do you think, like, modeling can take you, like, you feel like where you can represent after this title?
Sir, modeling has always been one of my passion, where I always wanted to follow. So, sir, there are many things that I want to do, but modeling has also been one of the most things that I really wanted to follow. And to get that title, I could do anything. Like I wanted to show how confident I am and be what I wanted to be.
Okay. So you want to make your mama proud? Okay, let's go. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
So by now you might have known you look cute, right? You really look cute. But then my complaint is to you is you walk very straight. You know, for a pageant that walk was very fast. Okay? So you need to learn how to walk. That's it. Thank you. Hello. Can you introduce yourself?
So, good afternoon to everyone present here today. My name is Ayusha Tamun and I am 22 years old. I am born and brought up in Darjeeling itself, and I've done my schooling from Lorenzo Convent, Darjeeling. And currently I'm pursuing BA LLB Honours from North Bengal University, and I'm in the last year. And as for my hobbies, I like dancing, painting, reading books, and collecting crystal stones, a lot of things. And to describe myself, I would say I'm a very passionate person and an inquisitive one, which helps me to learn a lot. Thank you.
Okay. Great. You love dancing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we let her dance for a moment to know how she dances?
What's your name? Repeat it again.
So, Ayusha.
Ayusha. Okay. Ayusha, I really loved your dance. I really enjoyed it. The expression you are giving out. Okay. And as man told you, you need to little prepare in your work, okay?
Yes.
After all, everything was good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ayusha. What I really love to do is your eye contact. You were having it right now. And while walking also, you have that constant eye contact, which I love the most. But you have to have that eye contact, right? Because we are judging here, and if you have that eye contact, we will also get that feeling, you know? It happens. So I loved it. And your class is good. Yeah. You have to walk. I mean, you have to work on the walk.
Yes, sir, for sure. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you.
Okay, Avanti. Is this your first time?
Yes, sir. This was very first time.
You're nervous, right?
Of it.
You need to like work very hard in your walk. Okay? Okay, thank you.
Hello. So, Vantika, just very disappointed. So, your walk was very steep, fast. Okay, you need to work on that. Okay, and no expressions as well. There was no eye contact and your expressions. Please work on that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Please
you,
all
ma'am.
the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Antika.
Hello, ma'am.
Are you that nervous?
A bit, yes.
A bit? But I can see that you're very, very nervous and you directly came from there. It's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not have to be that nervous, okay?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
fine. You want to drink water?
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay. Like the other, like my mates say, you really need to work very hard on your walk.
Yes, ma'am.
And then like, yeah, I totally agree with Miss Simon. You really have to work on your walk and expression and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. How are you? I think this is your first time, right? I can see that. Doctor, are you fine? Like, are you okay? Because you need to prepare very, like, your work is like very much, like, it's very disappointing, okay? Like, you need to work very hard for it, and expression, you need to be energetic, confident. Like, modeling is not only about walking, okay? Like, you have to, like, it consists of everything, your expressions, okay? Okay, thank you.
Hello. Ni Padma Bonchila. Rabdin ka bayay? Si Kaina Rabdin ka. It was good, for the first time it was good. Yeah, but you need to work on expression. Expression, आपको देखो इन सामान्य सेम थियो, okay? अलिकति expression का याद गर्नु, ल सारी सब. Thank you.
May I give introduction first? May I give introduction first?
Yeah, sure.
So first of all, good afternoon, respected judges and all people present here. I personally believe to become a successful person, don't have heroic body and beautiful face, but have great skill mind and ability to perform. My name is Shevan Rai, proudly represent my village, Lao Sheeters Tea Garden, in the reputed show of Mr. and Miss Darjeeling. Well, talking about my village Lao Sheeters is very beautiful and peaceful. It is located at Balasan River. It is surrounded by tea garden, and I always feel lucky and proud I belong from this beautiful village, because all the villagers are very kind-hearted and very helpful. Coming to me, I am 25 years old, my height is 5.9 and my hobbies are dancing and modeling. Coming to my qualification, I have completed my master's from Siliguri North Bengal University in year 2K23. Today, I am standing in front of you judges because I am very interested and passionate in modeling field. That's why I am standing here. And currently I am working as a teacher in Bihar. So coming to my achievement, I was the contender of Omega India and I was the first runner-up of Mr. Gopalganj Fashion Show Squad with the title holder of Mr. Face Look. But that achievement is not enough for me. Reason being why I stand here, why I am giving this audition, because firstly I really need more progress in modeling because to become a model is my goal. And I think this is great platform for me to stay forward to my goal, as well as I really want to win this title, Mr. Darjeeling. For all these reasons, I giving this audition today. So before I end my introduction, I would like to thank to Venus Entertainment and thanks to Priyanka Nana and thanks to all respected judges for giving your precious time. Thank you, that's all.
Okay. You won the beauty pageant last time, right?
Yes,
Okay. But you have to improve everything. Everything. Even the speaking skills as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. All the best.
Hello, sir. So, by profession, you are a teacher, right? As you told yourself. Okay. So, as you showcase yourself that you are interested in dancing and the dance was really energetic. Okay? You have that dancing skill. I can see that skills on you. Okay? So let me ask that what form of dance is this?
It's like mixing, waking, work.
Sing. Okay, it's a combination of like everything.
Work, waking, talk, contemporary little bit.
Okay. Okay, Suman, thank you.
Hello. Greet first. How are you?
Fine.
I want to start from the beginning. Okay? You need to work on your walk. Okay? It was okay, not great for a model. Okay? And did you recite your speech? Not a speech.
No. Actually, last time we won, that's why. In last class, that's why.
It sounded like your raw terragos. Then you work like then you कसरी डेलिभर गर्नु अडियन्सले कसरी सुन्छ त्यस्तो पनि हुन्छ नि त हो अन्त अलिकति काम गर्नु and why did you choose to be a teacher? You are a great dancer.
After complete my education, I have no any options, no, because Darjeeling is that area, have no any great scope for artists, no. That's why.
Whatever I say, I just work on that, and the rest everything was good.
Okay, thank you.